Tomorrow, I'm vlogging. There's no light. It's 6:15.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We're still at the gas station when the time was cold.
As you can see, I am not a morning person. I wish I was really, but I'm just not. And how do you film yourself in a morning routine? I mean, this is a disaster. Leo doesn't want me to leave without him. Sleeping in front of the door.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block. No, I can't keep from me.
Hi, I'm Rosalie. I am a multidisciplinary artist, and a little bit over a year ago, I moved out in the countryside. It's too early.
Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home.
And I'm gonna have to do something with that before I go. It's snowing. So it is 6:45, maybe 6:50, and I'm walking the dog, and I'm a little bit late on the schedule because, well, obviously I'm vlogging and that shit takes time. Theo? Bush, yay! It is one of the first snow, and it is so beautiful. Now, it is 7:15, heading to Montreal City. Je vais prendre un croissant. So I've picked up a coffee and a croissant, and I'm magically a little bit early to my rehearsal, so I'm gonna answer a few emails on my phone, and then I'm gonna go up to the rehearsal and have fun, because today I'm with an acrobatic theater company that I've been working with for 10 years now. Let's do this! Bonjour! Ça va bien? Oui! My life as a self-employed artist is very different every day, but it does include a lot of computer time. So, after the rehearsal, my friend Marcan and me went to a coffee to do a little bit of computer work. Back home, just walking the dog again. We went to see his dog friend, and yeah, all the snow is now brown and disgusting. I worked on the computer all afternoon. and then ate dinner, and now I'm walking Leo again. And after that, I'm going to my dance class, my dance class, my dance class. Whoop, whoop. Second day of this vlog, and I'm walking the dog. This is my neighbor's dog. We became friends because of the dog, but now we hang out. And her dog is Billy, and Billy is the most beautiful and kind dog, and I love her. After a big walk in the woods, Leo doesn't want to walk fast. Third morning of this vlog, and I'm walking the dog. And it's so cold outside. So today I had to cancel a workshop that I was going to assist because the person who was giving it was sick, so I could wake up a little bit later and I can answer some emails before I go, and then I'm going to help one of my friends doing her actress demo. Yeah. Off to Montreal. Come with me.
Je te dis. Rosa, t'as ton souffle de réalisatrice.
Prête à tout.
Une réalisatrice, ça a toujours une rallonge sur
Ouais, ouais, c'est
équipé.
équipé.
Ouais.
Puis un petit café de Noël.
Parce que... c'est
Another day, another morning. So I'm going to my aunt's house because today we're having a family tradition cooking day. And yeah, last night I didn't film much because it was just basically a cozy night in, and I just edited video all night and went to bed. We are gonna be cooking all day, and where are my keys? And yeah, so good morning. Tu me niaises. This is a family tradition. It's the best. We cook literally gallons of stracciatella soup. Everyone goes home with their containers and eat it during the cold winter. My mom and aunts have been the keepers of that tradition for 30 years now. My cousins are there, all the kids are there, we're cooking together, and I'm really grateful to my mom and my aunts to have made all those memories from when I was young until this day, and now it's passing to another generation. I am really wondering what it's gonna be like when my cousins and my sisters are gonna be the ones in charge of keeping that tradition. I leave the original audio in the next images because it represents so well the warmth, the chaos, and the fun of that day of cooking.
Il y en a une autre boîte qui s'en vient.
Je vais te le montrer après, OK? D'après toi, maman, ça fait combien d'années que la soupe... Attention, Mano, c'est chaud, cette chaque. Ça fait combien d'années que la soupe de Noël se fait? En famille, genre.
Nous autres, on a fait nos commissions jeudi.
On a commencé ça à Boucher.
Marie,
Ça fait longtemps? Ça fait genre 30 ans?
il faut les faire tomber.
Si je peux pas vous ajouter...
Parce que
Tu voulais voir qu'est-ce que je filmais, Manolo?
Tu veux-tu que je
filmais...
Ah
oui, c'est beau, ça! Fait que ça fait genre 30 ans.
pas loin de ça, effectivement.
If you feel like it, let me know in the comments what are your cooking family traditions. I'm really curious to learn about that. Good morning! So yes, guess what? I'm still walking the dog, but today we're going on a small hike. Youpee! After the walk, it's Sunday, so I'm just like editing, working on videos, and eating clementine. The question is, can I park here? Today I'm bringing you to a new workshop I'm taking about cultural mediation. Basically, it's a practical class in which we question and discuss the links between education and art. I won't be able to film a lot, sorry for that. At this point, I think you should comment below, like, how many times do you think that I walked the dog this week? At least 100. Good morning! It is very cold this morning and I'm walking the dog. Outfit of the day, yeah, all in black, 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 black. But which hat? So we have this one, very cool. All right, we have this one. This is a good one. This is an old one. This is the OG one. Okay? And we have this one. Of course, you've already seen this hat in this vlog because I wear it all the time. Allez, yeah. So, let me know which one is your favorite and which one I'm gonna choose today. I don't know. All right. Look at this. Isn't it incredible? I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna go. Remember the rehearsal I had in the beginning of this vlog? Well, today I'm going to do the thing we rehearsed for. I parked in the north of the city and I'm gonna take the subway to go downtown because I didn't want to be stuck in traffic.
de l'excellence, puis juste les féliciter parce que j'avais comme envie de leur dire, c'est juste que dans la vie, le regard que les autres vont porter sur vous.
Catherine, tu veux être dans le vlog? Ok. Fait que c'est ça, ce matin, parce que là, Catherine, tu me demandais. Oh non, c'est un vlog en anglais, j'ai oublié.
Ah, it's an English vlog.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Yes, I want
Yes,
to be in the
okay,
vlog.
that's perfect. So it's in English, as you can see. And
Je sais même pas ce que je fais.
so this morning, I filmed the outfit of the day because I asked the viewers which toque you want me to wear. But I didn't ask for real because it was not live, là. But I asked
I was asking myself
on
who
camera.
respond.
I asked the camera.
Okay.
And the camera said the striped one. So yes.
Nice.
So Catherine, do you want to explain to the vlog what? Look the camera to you. Yes. Do you want to explain to the vlog who you are?
I'm the friend of Rosalie.
Yes, that's true.
The best. Really the best.
Catherine.
Yeah.
What are we gonna buy to the grocery store?
Some food.
Food. Okay. Do we need rice?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Chou. What is chou in English?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Yes. Okay.
Cabbage.
Do we need cabbage?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we need.
Okay.
You
What do
don't
we
want-
need?
I
Yes,
didn't
like-
bring. I only bring the salmon. The
Oh, okay. That's okay.
Yes.
So we need the rest.
yeah.
Non, je l'ai pas.